Upgrade Python packages from Requirements.Txt using pip command. How do I upgrade all my Python packages from Requirements.Txt file using pip command? Try it with below command. Since the Python packages are suffixed with the version number, Django == 1.5.1, they don't seem to upgrade. Is there any better approach than manually editing Requirements.Txt file? Edit. As Andy mentioned in his answer, packages are pinned to a specific version, hence it is not possible to upgrade packages through pip command. But we can achieve this with pip tools using the following command. This will automatically upgrade all packages from Requirements.Txt. Make sure to install pip tools using pip install command.
I already answered this question here. Here's my solution. Because there was no easy way for upgrading package by package, and updating the Requirements.Txt file, I wrote this pip upgrader which also updates the versions in your Requirements.Txt file for the packages chosen, or all packages. Installation. Usage. Activate your virtualenv, important, because it will also install the new versions of upgraded packages in current virtualenv. CD into your project directory, then run. Advanced usage. If the requirements are placed in a non-standard location, send them as arguments. If you already know what package you want to upgrade, simply send them as arguments. If you need to upgrade to pre-release, post-release version, add pre-release argument to your command. Full disclosure, I wrote this package.
You can try. You can also ignore installed package and install the new one.
No. Your requirements file has been pinned to specific versions. If your requirements are set to that version, you should not be trying to upgrade beyond those versions. If you need to upgrade, then you need to switch to unpinned versions in your requirements file. Example. This would upgrade LXML to any version newer than 2.2.0. This would upgrade LXML to the most recent version between 2.2.0 and 2.3.0.
I suggest freezing all of your dependencies in order to have predictable builds. When doing that, you can update all dependencies at once like this. Having done the above, test your project with the new set of packages and eventually commit the Requirements.Txt file to the repository while still allowing for installing hot fixes.
Another solution is to use the upgrade requirements package and then run. It will upgrade all the packages that are not at their latest versions, and also create an updated Requirements.Txt at the end.